Now we will start our next question, question number 7. So what is given in the question number 7? If each edge of a cube is doubled, if each edge of the cube is doubled, so how many times surface area will increase and how many times the volume will increase? Okay, if each edge of a cube is doubled, for example, this is a cube and cube base will be like a square. So you can assume this is a cube, and now you can assume the cube of this edge will be L. For example, you are assuming, and sides of the cube is L. After that, the another cube, if you are taking the another cube and all the sides of the cube is double. Double means it will be 2L, 2L, 2L. So you have to find out how many times surface area will increase and how many times the volume will increase. Okay. So for example, for that, first of all, for example, you will assume let the edge of cube, edge you can say, side also you can say, edge of cube is equal to L centimeter. Okay, you can assume the edge of cube is L meter or L centimeter, and so the edge of another cube will be double, so it will be 2L centimeter. So what will be the surface area? So you will find out first surface area of cube when side or edge is L centimeter. Okay, so what will be the surface area? So surface area means total surface area, and total surface area will be, it will be 6. How many faces will be there? 6 faces. So 6 into side into side. So 6 into L into L. So it will be 6L square. So this one will be the surface area. Now surface area of cube when side is double or side double hogi, then when side is 2L. Okay, double means it will be twice of that, so it will be 2L. Then surface area will be same, 6 into side into side. But what is side here? Now side is twice of that. So 2L. So side into 2L into 2L. Okay. So it will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 6 are 24L square. So you can see when the side is L. जो side आपके पास L थी, आपने assume की थी कि कोई एक cube है जिसकी side L है. And when the side was L, then what is the surface area? 6L square. And when you are taking the double of the side, it means when side is 2L. So what is the surface area now? So now this is 24L square. So पहले क्या था बेटा? 6L square. And now it is 24. So how much time it is increasing? So 6 4s are 24. So it is 4 times. So you can say how many times the surface area will increase. So you can say surface area will increase how many times? 4 times. How many times it will increase? So you can say 4 times. Is it clear? So this was your first part. First of all, what will you do? Surface area will increase how many times? So you can say it will be 4 times. So in this first part, what is given? If each edge of a cube is double. So for example, for you have any you can say the cube, and whose side you can assume all the sides are L centimeter, and after that you will assume the another cube whose sides are double of the first cube. So it will be twice of L, double of L, it will be twice of L, 2L. Okay. Now what will be the surface area when side is L centimeter? So surface area means total surface area you will find, and total surface area will means surface area of all the 6 sides. So it will be 6 into side into side. Side into side means because the base will be like a square. And what will be the area of square? So side into side. So total surface area of all the 6 sides will be 6 into side into side, and side is L now. So 6 into L into L. So it will be 6L square. Now when the surface area of cube when the side is 2L. So 6 into side again. So 6 into, now the side is twice of L. So 2L. So what will be the area? 6 into 2L into 2L. So it will be 24L square. Now you can see when the side was L, the surface area was 6L square, and now the side is 2L, so surface area is 24L square. It means it is increasing 6 4s are 24 4 times. So the surface area will increase how many times? 4 times. So this was about the surface area. Now we will talk about the volume also. Okay, now we will talk about the volume also. So in volume we will check one by one. Same in volume also we will check. Volume also we will check. So in the first part, simply you can say side when side of cube is L, then volume will be what will be the volume of the cube? Volume means side into side into side, and all the side are L, so it will be L into L into L, so it will be L cube. Okay, now when side of cube is double of L, so double of L means 2L, then what will be the volume? Then volume will be same. What will be the formula of the volume? Or dimension, multiplication of all the dimensions, and all the sides are length, breadth and height, all the sides are same here, so side into side into side, so it will be 2L into 2L into 2L, so it will be 2 to the 4 to the 8, and L into L into L, it will be 8L cube. So when the side was L, so the volume was L cube. Now the side is 2L, so what is the volume? So volume is 8L cube. So how many times it is increasing? It is 1L cube and it is 8L cube. It means 8 times. Okay. So you can write down volume will increase. Volume will increase how many times? 8 times. How many times the volume will increase? So you can say volume will increase 8 times. It is clear? Okay, so simply in this question, first of all, it is given if each edge of a cube is double. So पहले कुछ एज कुछ होगी ना बेटा उसकी, तभी तो उसकी डबल करोगे ना. So for example, first you are assuming this is your first cube and side of this cube are L, and if you are taking the another cube, so side of this cube will be the double of the first cube. So it will be twice of L, so it will be 2L, 2L, 2L. So you will assume when the side was L, so what will be the surface area? When the side is 2L, so what will be the surface area? And after that you can easily tell how much surface area is increasing, how many times it is increasing. Same in the volume. First, when the side was L, what will be the volume? When the side was 2L, what is the volume? And after that you can easily tell how many times the volume is increasing. So this was your question number 7. Is it clear? So volume is increasing 8 times and the surface area is 4 times. Clear? Now we will start our next question. Question number 8. It is given water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, so find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Okay, what is given? Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute, and the volume of reservoir is given 108, and the reservoir is given like a cuboidal. Okay, so it will be like that, whose volume is given 108 meter cube. Clear? So simply you will write the solution. So in how many hours it will take to fill? Okay, कितने hours लगेंगे उसको fill करने के लिए? So first of all, it is given volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube. Got it? Okay. Now water pouring into a cuboidal reservoir is equal to what is given? 60 liter per minute. Okay, it is given 60 liter per minute. It is given 60 liter per minute. Clear? Now you know very well. Okay, 60 liter per minute. It means 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter will be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Clear? Because you know very well 1 meter cube will be equal to 1000. Yes, wait a minute. It is given 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, you know. So 1 liter will be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So it will be 60 upon 1000. Okay, 60 upon 1000. Okay, and this how you have changed this one in meter cube, and this is per minute. Okay, but now you will find out number of hours. So 1 minute is equal to how many hours? So you know very well, this one 1 minute is equal to 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? So it will be 60 minutes. Okay, so you can write down 60 into 60 upon 1000 per hour. Okay, liter per hour. This is how much meter cube per hour. Clear? Now you can write down this one 60 into 60 upon 1000. Okay, and you can multiply, and after that you can write also. Okay, this is 60 liter per minute. So first of all you have changed the liter, 60 liter per minute. So first you can change liter in meter cube is equal to 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter will be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So 60 liter you will change in meter cube. So it will be 60 upon 1000 meter cube, and this is per minute. Now you are changing minute in hours. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it will be 60 into 60, and this one will be per hour. So this meter cube water, this meter cube water can fill in how many minutes? So you can write down here. Wait a minute. Meter cube. Yes. This meter cube water, this is water, can fill in equal to 1 hour. In how many hour? 1 hour. So 1 meter cube water can fill in it. It will be 1 upon this. So it will be 1000 upon 60 into 60. Okay, hour. And now how much water you have to find out? 108 meter cube. So 108 meter cube water can fill in it. So it will be 1000 upon 60 into 60 multiplied 108. Clear? Now cancel, 20 cancel, and 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 48. Sorry, 6 1 ja 6 and 6 8 ja 48. Now, and 6 3 ja 18. Okay. Now what is left? 3 into 10. So it will be 30 hours. So in how many hours the water will fill? So it will be 30 hours. So simply first of all, what will you do? You will find, it is given volume of a reservoir is 108 meter cube. And how much water pouring in the cuboidal reservoir? 60 liter per minute. So first of all, you will convert the liter in meter, because the volume is given in meter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter will be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Clear? So divide by 1000. So it will change in meter cube, but it is given per minute. And you have to find out in how many hours. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60. So it will be 60 into 60 upon 1000 per hour. Now this much water can fill in how much hour? In 1 hour. So 1 meter cube water can be filled in 1 upon this one, and 108 meter cube. So multiply by 108. Now cancel out and find out the number of hours. So it will be 30 hours. And okay, it will be 30 hours like that. You can see 60 into 60 and upon 1000 meter cube water can fill in it. It will be in 1 hour. 1 meter cube water can fill in it. 1 upon 60 multiply 1000. So it will be reciprocal of it. So 1000 upon 60 into 60. And next 108 meter cube water can fill, multiply by 108, cancel out and find the number of hours. So how many number of hours you can fill the water in cuboidal reservoir? So you can write down, it will be 30 hours. Is it clear? So this was your question number 8. And with this question we have completed our exercise also. So you will complete the exercise 11.4, and with this we have completed our chapter also. In the next video we will start our next chapter. Thank you so much, students.